This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video we will learn a little bit about the document views. So you can see that we have different tabs available on the screen in Microsoft Word. So for document view, we'll select the view tab right from over here. Since you can see that we have some document, it's all about Cristiano Ronaldo. He's a Portugal football team captain, and now we would like to know about the different layouts view of Microsoft Word. Since you can see that the document views actually provide 5 different views. First of all, we will select the print layout view, and we will read the definition that with the help of print layout, we can view the document as it will appear on the printed page. So this view is required when we need to take out the printout, so that we can have an idea how much margin of the document can be presented on the paper we are going to take the printout on it. So this way we can easily understand, like in this document you can see that we have this much margin available from the left side, this much margin available from the top, from the right side you can always see. So this way we can easily understand that the print layout view is very helpful in taking an idea how the print is going to be on the paper. Likewise, if we drag the mouse to the full screen reading, so you can read the definition that with the help of the full screen reading we can view the document in full screen reading view in order to maximize the space available for reading or commenting on the document. So this layout is basically useful and helpful for reading purpose. Like if I would like to read this document, I can select this full screen reading, and then with the help of this I can maximize it and can read it out with the help of this. So you can see that with the help of this you can easily read the document with the help of this full screen reading view. So we can close the full screen reading view right from here, and if you can see that there are different options are available. From here you can select show on one page, show on 2 pages, show printed page, allow typing, track changes. There are multiple options you can select right from over here, and from here you can change the color as well. From the tools you can do the research, text, highlight, color, new comment, find. There are multiple options you can select right in the full screen layout view. So when we close this, then we can have one more layout view, which is called web layout. View the document as it would look as a web page. So if you are gonna make a web page in your Microsoft Word is actually helpful in making web pages as well. So if you want to make a web page like the one I have, if I would like to present this all this literature about this player Cristiano Ronaldo, I can make a web page on it. Then I can just click on the web page layout. So this way I can easily see that how a web page will look like. But here I can also increase the percentage from over here. If I would like to, you can always increase the percentage as well. So web layout view is very helpful in making web pages. So the outline, one more view is the outline view, and it is used to view the document as an outline and show the outlining tool. So when we click on this button, then you can see that it is used to show the outlining tab. Since it's a web page, so this view is currently not available for this. But if we have a text document, like if I remove it, then I can easily have that outline view. So the draft view is again available for all that the document where we can have a text document, but since it's a web page layout view, so we cannot see the draft view as well. You can see grid lines like this over here, and if we can always remove it, we can use the ruler checkbox to see the rulers. You can see the scale, the margins right from the top. And if I unclick check or uncheck it, you can easily see that it can appear and disappear on the screen. Likewise, we can select navigation pane, and it is used to open the navigation pane, which allows you to navigate through the document by heading, by page, or by searching for text or objects. So it is very useful if you want to find something out in your document, in the page, anywhere around. So the zoom button is used to show the zoom dialog box to specify the zoom level of the document. When we click it, we can see multiple options over here. If we click 100%, it will squeeze into 100, will reduce the size of the zoom percentage according to zoom percentage. If I click like, I can select of my own choice, like I would like to have 175% view, so I can always check from here, and you can see that I can have my own zoom view from this. In most cases, you can also use the zoom controls in the status bar at the bottom of the window to quickly zoom the document. So here you can see at the status bar, you can always see the zoom layout view. So you can see there are multiple buttons like 100%, and you can increase it to the 200%, and you can see it as a one page, on 2 pages. But since there's only 1 page, so we can see only 1 page. If we select the 2 pages as well, zoom the document so the 2 pages fit in the window. Since there's only 1 page, so we can see only 1 page over here. And when we select the page width, then the whole document will be organized according to the full page width view. And we can see a new window, arrange all, split all. We can split the document wherever we would like to. If we click once I click the split button, so it gives me the option to select and split the document from anywhere, like from here. If I would like to read it out right from here, I can always select the split option. This way I don't need to scroll down the whole document, and I need to go from the top to the bottom and read each and every page. So it consumes time for just to avoid consuming time. We can always use this splitting option. So we can remove the split by clicking on the remove split button. So we can read the definition of split window. It splits the current window into 2 parts so that you can view different sections of the document at the same time. So we're gonna remove the split. So that's all. So I hope that you find this video helpful for your learning in different layout, document views, zoom, and using the show, window, and macros tab in the Word document. So that's all, and thanks for watching.